Hello everyone, so this is a car game that I have created. When we click on the play button, the game starts and it will count down and then we can play the game. So I have included multiple functionalities in this. We can pause the game like this, and then when we click on the resume button, we can go back to the game. We can apply brakes in this, and we can again accelerate the car, and when we go through the finish line, we complete the game. So this is a small game that I have done. So once you complete the game, you get a message, you win, and now you can even restart the game, or if you don't want to restart, you can click on the menu button and it goes back to the main menu, and when you click on the quit button, it quits the game. So thank you for watching the video. Please comment and let me know if you like the project.